We're either near or already at the bottom for multifamily. Could you speak to that a little bit? What are you seeing in the market?
Real estate is cyclical, right? There's different times during the market cycle where it's a buyer's market and there's times when it's a seller's market. We really saw the peak of the last cycle back in 2021 and 2022. In the last several months, as we've been seeing far less severely distressed deals out on the market. A lot of the deals that got in trouble were due to poor financing. And lately what we've been seeing is things are normalizing. We're not seeing quite as many deals available today where the seller is severely distressed on the financial side. We're also starting to see other things normalize, like concessions, for example. Another one is organic rent growth is starting to make a comeback. And then of course, largely from a supply-demand economics perspective, we saw that glut of new supply, hit a lot of the major markets, really kind of in the aftermath of the COVID era. And we've seen a lot of that new supply getting absorbed. So demand still is strong, but the new supply picture, the forecast over the course of the next few years is really falling off a cliff. And that gives us a lot of optimism as a real estate sponsor, investor in some of these markets, that some of these valuations are going to start coming back again. But it's been a buyer's market the last 3 to 4 years. And I think we're going to start getting back to more normalized transaction volume again.
This was just one part of the conversation. Catch the rest on the On the Rise podcast, available wherever you listen to your podcasts.